Okay? So, this came at 1 o'clock. Subscription. It's a subscription I'm actually happy with. But I'm glad this doesn't have a thing. By the way, it's the Walmart knife. Looks pretty good. Yeah. Now, let's see what we got in the Graham Workshop subscription for March 2026. I think I'll look with Motor Advantage. I don't care. But yeah. Actually, I legit don't care. Okay, first is a note. Let's read the note first. If I can get the note open, okay. Okay, so, an update. Okay, we want to start out by saying thank you, our members, or thank you. Our memberships have been a large part of Grimm, and so we have all year. However, we are sad to say that due to the increased cost of shipping metal and other supplies, the cost of the Grimm workshop will be going up by $4.99 to include the monthly shipping charge. Don't care. I'm happy with it. I'm legit happy with the subscription, so I'm willing to pay that. It's not that much. It's only what, $5? That's nothing. Heck, you're still getting more than your value's worth, honestly. Okay? Over years, we tried to absorb the rising shipping costs as well as the increased cost of metal and other supplies in an effort to keep things simple and more cost effective for you. However, these costs have continued to increase, and due to this, we are no longer able to handle the costs and work to improve the membership. We did not want to blindside any of you, which thank God. Here's the thing. At least they're telling you straight up. And you don't have to look on the website or anything like that. Right? Yeah? Oh, I have another one of these, so I'm good. So I can use that one. Yes, really. Right? I wanted to be honest about the reason that membership pricing will be going up. I don't care, it's worth it for me. While this may seem like an inconvenience, this is so that we can keep delivering quality tools in the long term. We understand that rising costs are hard for some people right now. We will be adding a new membership perk, the Grimm Skills Guides. Okay? And what it does. Now every survival tool that is in your membership will come with a QR code that will take you to a guide for your tool. The instructions will include clear step-by-step instructions, video demonstrations, visual breakdowns, real-world use cases, related skill expansions. However, this is still in development, so watch out for another email soon with more information. We're excited about where Grimm is heading, and thank you for being a part of that with us. Thank you for your understanding the Grimm Workshop family. Honestly, at least they're adding something more instead of just rising the cost and lowering the quality, like everything else does. So, sorry for that, but yeah, what's that? Oh, okay. So, First thing we have I'm in a room that's not lit with my head flashlight. For $9.50, the Grimm or the Saw dog tag. Actually, I kind of need this one. Oh, good. I can put it on my thing. I'm gonna order this up before I even do anything. By the way, let's see. Okay, it says the Grimm Workshop's survival dog tag is perfect for trail walking or making small emergency items like arrows, spears, and gags. This saw can be used as a sear saw, an escape and evasion kit to be used as in cutting retreats. This saw tag is designed to be the same size as a standard military issue dog tag, and provides great and to provide a discreet and functional saw for various cutting tasks. Yeah, oh yeah, I'm gonna be oiling that up. Honestly. Well, that's easier. I'm looking at. Okay. 4, $21.95. The Joe Flowers signature cord. I think I have one of these. I gotta look. This comes with a song. Okay, it comes with 2 needles and an awl and a spin. That's cool. That is very cool. Bushcraft Global. Okay. A spear, which, as I said, you could use the fishing thing as a spear either way. So basically, it's a fishing or hunting type thing with some. Okay. Cool. Let's read about it. I'm just waking up. I haven't had coffee. Actually, I should have coffee, but whatever. I don't care. The signature card was made with avid outdoorsman, writer, and knife SESIGNER Cesina or Signa Joe Flowers. This card includes many bushcraft survival tools that can be utilized to make even more impressive tools. Joe Flowers has a degree in zoology with a minor in entomology and is an expert in jungle survival, which aids him in his frequent expeditions around the world, from South America to Europe, to search of knowledge and new skills found from various cultures he meets on his travels. So, okay, you know, like, I like to have the tick mover. I do. Because if he's in jungles, either way, jungles will have ticks either way. Jungles and forests and all that. And weeds and all this in urban areas either way. A split mover, which is good. It has a drill, which we use as an awl, to be honest. 2 needles. They're the easy thread needles too. Of course, if you don't know how to do it, comes with a scoop. Maybe we'll tell me what the scoop does. Okay. Signature card includes scoops, scrapers, and drill points. Okay. Oh yeah, you know what? I'm actually might put this in my thing. No, the drill, as you can see, has a thing like that. You could use this as an awl, to be honest. Also, let's just go here. The spear could be really good because, you know, because dude, come on, right? Because let me tell you what the scoop is used for, and everything else is used for. That knife seems like it would be really nice to. Oh wow. Okay, you could definitely do a ferrule with that. There's like a 90-degree spine. There's. I know you can use the drill as an awl, either way, because it has a point, so you can use it as an awl to. You know, comes with a medium and a large. Actually, no, this one can be a. This big one right here can be a needle awl, to be honest. So that's pretty good. So yeah, split maneuver, which I'm pretty sure is going to be used for me. So we're here. So anyway, that's for 21.95. I actually might just put it it's in my kit. Okay, so next is for a tip cord for $1.85. Tip cord, double overlap stopper knot, which seems very easy to do. This seems very easy for me to do. You do that, then wrap around. I could do this, to be honest. Oh, they could. Oh, by the way, apparently I got water in the light because it doesn't work. Because I used the wipe because this fell on the ground, so I used the wipe with alcohol on it. And so yeah, be careful with that, Woody. So, then last is a how to make a spring snare. This actually is helpful for me. This is actually helpful for me. Yeah. By the way, yes, both of these cards are the playing card style. This is 133, this is 136. So yeah. So yeah, honestly, I think this is the one subscription I always keep no matter what. So yeah. And good for Workshop for just straight up saying, hey, you know, by telling you straight up and not, you know, you have to do a QR code for whatever and, you know, all that. So yeah. I'm assuming this closes the door. Let me see real quick. So I do have a thing. Oh yeah, that's right, this is magnetic. Good news though, the cards are actual metal. I don't know. I'll test that later. Anyway, it's been Postbox Level. Thanks for listening. God bless and peace. God's force. Who could be against us?